My bank was closed for 2 days due to maintenance. Guys, we need to talk about this. Honestly, I don't get it. Why do you still choose to stay late on weekends just to run maintenance when you could do it anytime? I've decided to start a series where I show you how to perform maintenance without shutting down your services. I'll walk you through exactly how to implement zero downtime deployments, including database migrations. I'm doing this for you because you deserve better. I'm also doing this for your customers, people like me, because no one wants to be bothered by your annoying emails. So this is how I'll do it. First, I will start with the UI. Then I will create a backend that can read and write data into a database. I will run the backend in a Docker container so that I can run two versions of the same backend in parallel. This is important when I switch between these two backend versions. For this, I will need a load balancer. A load balancer has the ability to reroute traffic from one instance to another without stopping the service. But switching databases is a little bigger challenge. I don't want to stop the service and copy data between the databases. Instead of writing data directly into the database, I'm going to create an event source. An event source is a database that saves data sequentially. Next, I'll create a consumer that will read these events and store them in the database. This way I create a kind of bypass for persisting the data. Now I will deploy a second version of the consumer. This consumer will also read the same events, but from the beginning. It will essentially replay all events to the second database. I'll wait until this second consumer reaches the same position in the event stream as the first one. At this point I will have two databases that are fully synchronized and the new coming events are being stored to both of them. Then I can tell the load balancer to reroute the traffic to the second service version. From that point on, the version 2 will write all new data to the event source. This way I have switched the database without the user even noticing. That's the theory. Don't miss the first episode where I built the UI from scratch. Bye.